Hi and welcome back to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Silver Cross Wave Stroller. Silver Cross is a really amazing brand that's been around since the late 1800s, and they are actually known to be the first inventor of the baby carriage. Straight out of the box, you're going to get the platinum stroller frame, a bassinet, a seat, 2 canopies, 2 aprons, 2 handlebars, a seat liner, 2 fitted rain covers, 2 mosquito nets, a cup holder, and adapters for if you want to attach the second tandem seat. So the Wave comes in 3 different colors. We have granite here. We also have sable, which is like a warm taupey brown, and slate, which is like a grayish blue color. Here are some notable features about the Wave. It has a strong magnesium alloy frame with a handlebar made of high quality brown leather. The wheels are puncture proof and have all-wheel suspension, and it has a sandal-friendly foot brake. The Wave has an extendable sun canopy with UPF 50+, which also has a peekaboo window so you can still see your babe. Its cup holders can be placed on either the right or the left side. The basket on the bottom has a hard bottom to protect your items from the elements, and it has a weight capacity of 33 pounds. The adapter that holds your bassinet or seat is able to change height positions and bring your baby closer to you as needed. One feature that's really unique to Silver Cross is the ability to put the bassinet on the top of the stroller when using it as a double. That means that you'd have the bassinet on the top and still the tandem seat on the bottom. With a lot of double strollers, you're only able to use that bassinet on the bottom portion, but Silver Cross wanted to give you the option to use it either way so you can still see your babe while you're on your walks. Now for some of the bassinet features. The bassinet can hold a newborn until they're about 6 months old, and it has breathable fabric and is approved for overnight sleeping. Its fabric lining has natural antibacterial qualities that help regulate temperature. Let's also talk about some of the features of the seat. The seat can hold a child that weighs up to 55 pounds. It also has a jersey padded seat liner for extra comfort, and its adjustable recline positions include a full lie flat position. The seat also has adjustable calf support for your child, and because this stroller is modular, you can face it forward or backward. The Wave converts to a double stroller for when you have 2 children with no additional purchases needed. In fact, this is a modular stroller that has 30 possible modes. So it's great whether you have twins or children of different ages. If you purchase a second tandem seat to attach to the Wave, just be aware that it is slightly smaller than the main seat and has a weight capacity of only 45 pounds. Another really convenient feature about the Wave is its ability to work with many different types of car seats. You can get adapters for Maxi Cozy, Kleck, Nuna, and Cybex. To fold the Silver Cross Wave, start by locking the wheels with your foot. Pull up on the handlebar triggers and lower the stroller forward until it automatically locks. To unfold it, undo the side lock on the frame and pull up on the handlebar. To keep steady, you can step on the rear axle if necessary. Overall, Silver Cross makes really amazing durable strollers. There's a reason that they've been around for as long as they have. So if you're in the market for a double stroller, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching. If you liked any of the products you see in this video or any of the other products around us, make sure to shop them at babycubby.com. Any order over $25 gets you free shipping. If you want to learn more about another Silver Cross stroller, the Coast, go ahead and check out this video right here. Let us know what you want to see next, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.